Now you've received and unboxed your foot fort, and we're going to show you how to set it up. You might think, do I really need instructions? Can't I just set it on top of the bed? Well, you could, but if you want to make sure it stays in place all night, here's what you do. First of all, take your blankets, pull them back, including the flat sheet. You're going to place the foot fort right at the end of your bed. Take the flat sheet and tuck it right in between the mattress and the box springs. And then continue to make your bed the way you would normally. There you have it. Blankets stay off your feet all night. All right, here we go. We've got the foot fort in bed. Look at all the nice room I have right here. The wedge shape keeps my feet in a wonderfully supported position all night. And because of the material, it keeps my feet nice and cozy warm.